Hello everyone, I'm Ovi, your virtual chef. Today, we will embark on the preparation of an exquisite ratatouille. Before we begin, let's learn a little about its origins. Ratatouille is an emblematic dish from the Provence region in southeastern France. Its name comes from French and refers to the act of mixing or stirring, a direct reference to the way its ingredients are prepared. This simple and colorful stew was originally a peasant dish, making use of fresh, seasonal vegetables from their gardens, such as tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, zucchinis, and aromatic herbs. Over time, ratatouille transcended its humble origins to become a gem of French cuisine, appreciated worldwide. Moreover, the movie Ratatouille helped give it global fame. In the film, Ratatouille is presented with a modern touch called confit by Aldi, a version created by chef Michel Garrett in the 1970s. This variation highlights the dedication and values behind cooking, making ratatouille perceived as a symbol of creativity and excellence. To prepare a flavorful ratatouille, we will need eggplants, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, and colorful bell peppers as the base of fresh and vibrant vegetables. To complement them, we will add tomatoes, garlic, and onions, which will enhance the depth of the stew. A fried tomato base will be enriched with aromatic herbs, such as thyme and oregano, along with spices like black pepper and cumin. Finally, the essential touch will be given by olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. We preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and place the bell peppers on a baking tray. We roast them for 30 to 40 minutes, occasionally turning them to ensure they cook evenly. Once the bell peppers are done roasting, we carefully remove them from the oven and place them in a bowl. We add a generous amount of salt, making sure to coat them well, and let them rest for about half an hour. This resting time not only allows them to cool completely, but also makes the cleaning process quicker and more efficient. We carefully remove the burnt skin from bell peppers, making sure to eliminate any remaining bits. Once peeled, we leave them completely cleaned and ready to be incorporated into the ratatouille. Once cleaned, we cut the bell peppers into thin, uniform strips. This step ensures that they mix easily with the other ingredients and maintain a pleasant texture in the dish. Once cut into strips, we place them in a bowl to keep them within reach and make their incorporation into the next steps of the recipe easier. We divide the tomatoes into halves and carefully grate them using a grater to achieve a smooth and uniform texture. This process extracts the pulp and juice, which will be essential for the base of our stew. After grating the tomatoes, we set aside the extracted juice in a container. In a pan, we add a generous amount of olive oil and heat it over low heat. We add the chopped garlic and let it cook gently, allowing the oil to absorb its aroma and flavor without burning the garlic. We add the julienne onion to the pan, along with the already golden garlic. We cook over low heat until it softens and acquires a smooth texture, allowing its flavor to fully integrate with the infused oil. We add the halved cherry tomatoes to the pan, carefully mixing them so they blend with the flavors of the garlic and onion. We let them cook slightly, releasing their juice and adding freshness to the dish. We incorporate the grated tomato juice we had set aside earlier, along with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. We stir well to integrate all the flavors and let the mixture cook over low heat, allowing the ingredients to blend uniformly. Once the tomato juice has fully combined and slightly thickened, we add the roasted bell peppers that we had set aside. We mix them carefully to preserve their texture and ensure they are evenly distributed throughout the preparation. We add the fried tomato to the preparation and continue mixing carefully until all the ingredients are perfectly integrated, achieving a homogeneous and flavorful consistency. We add a teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomato, along with cumin and oregano. We mix carefully so that the spices are evenly incorporated, enhancing the overall flavor. We taste the preparation to adjust the flavor, checking the level of salt and pepper. If necessary, we add a pinch more of each, mixing well to balance all the flavors. We pour the sauce into an oven-safe dish, making sure to distribute it evenly. This step prepares the mixture to continue the cooking process and enhance all the flavors. We cut the eggplant, tomato, and zucchini into uniform slices, ensuring they all have a similar thickness. This will allow them to cook evenly and maintain a pleasant texture in the dish. We arrange the slices of eggplant, tomato, and zucchini over the sauce we have prepared in the oven-safe dish. We place them neatly, alternating the ingredients to create an attractive visual design and ensure that the flavors blend harmoniously during cooking. We sprinkle pressed dried thyme over the vegetables, ensuring even distribution. Additionally, we add a few sprigs of fresh thyme to intensify the aroma and flavor of the dish, creating an herbal touch that will enhance the mixture. We preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. We cover the dish with aluminum foil and bake it for 30 minutes to ensure the vegetables cook thoroughly and retain their juiciness. Then, we remove the aluminum foil and place the tray back in the oven, turning on only the top heating element grill at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. This step will give the vegetables a golden, slightly crispy touch, enhancing their texture and flavor. And voila, a delicious ratatouille ready to enjoy. Bon appetit! Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date. Until the next dish,